Schloss GAF12 Air Fryer Multifunction Toaster Oven Combo for Family 12 QT. Inside an air fryer oven, superheated air circulates around the food to provide crispy, golden results without all the oil that deep frying requires. It's a popular healthy cooking way nowadays. Cooking with 85% less to no oil than traditional deep fry. Because of eating too much fat and calories are bad for your health. Schloss 12 QT Air Fryer Rotisserie Oven features with novel design, easy operation, fast heating, and multi-purpose. One knob easy control, manage the air fryer program and cook the more delicious food for your friends and family. Air-fried food needs 85% less oil than fried food, so you will get fewer calories and enjoy more great food. Air fryer oven makes food texture crisp and fast cooking. If you are looking for an oven with a rotisserie function combo, Schloss 12 QT Air Fryer Oven will meet all your needs. We have accessories of chicken fork, baking cage, skewer RACKS, 10 PCS for you to make various kinds of foods with ease. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.